Hey everybody, it's a buddy of mine. He's going to tell you a little bit about his truck here. And here we go. Tell us about your truck.
What would you want to know?
I know a little bit of everything.
So it's a 1953 Ford F100. It's got an Art Morrison independent front suspension, disc brakes in the front. Has a 351 Windsor. Everything's Ford on this vehicle except for the steering column. It has a Corvette steering column.
Yeah, we see it's really low here.
Yeah, that's the Art Morrison. It gives it kind of that low look. Really the only, the modern features, it's got the disc brakes, but it does have a CD player in it.
Yeah, and you can see the seats all real nice, tight pleats.
3-speed, automatic.
Yeah, it's cool. Really cool.
It used to be an old farm truck. It had big goofy mirrors on it. Bed's all wood.
Oh, I can see where the gas cap is here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's got a key for it.
And we can see we've got bead locks here. Bead lock side exhaust.
That's the key to get the gas.
Wow.
This fits right in there like that.
That's cool. And then right here, it's got a custom roll pan in the back, custom lights in the back. Very, very cool.
You can see that it's an old van engine by the dipstick.
Oh yeah, the tube right here. Yeah, I can see, because in a van, they're tucked way back in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is cool. And it is a Windsor.
Power steering and power brakes.
Yeah, it's got the full treatment, aluminum radiator. And this one's a street driven truck. This don't sit in the driveway. This gets drove every now and then. Yeah, no trailer queen here, folks. Here we go, father and son team, and we're gonna check out this hot rod right here. This one is a sweet ride right here. It is really super clean. Tell me about your car.
The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. Got a 355 Chevy motor in it. Got a 350 turbo trans. 9-inch Ford rear end under it. 370 gears, posi-track. Got 4-wheel disc brakes. Got air conditioning, power windows.
Wow. And look at this, folks.
Chrome front end.
Yeah, it is like super, super clean. Yeah, you don't see too many cars pushing 80 years old looking this sharp. Chevy, 52 Chevy fat fender.
Oh man, and he did it in, he bought it in Mexico and then did the work on it.
Yeah, that truck's the same era as this truck.
He's on that YouTube channel. We got a video of it. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, I've got you guys followed every time you guys post something, I see the blue dot.
Yeah.
And this thing's nice.
It sounds good. It's got a little bit of a tick. Needs probably an adjustment, but
we ought to paint this someday. Especially if we got on it, got everything ordered, had it on hand, and just rip it. We could get it painted in a week. Because there's not much mud work. I just take that mud off and re-mud it. Because that mud looks like it's been on there a long time. Yeah, this old truck would take a paint job bad at all. It's straight. There's a little bit of rust, but all of it's like really small stuff.
It drives probably better than everything we have.
Yeah, it drives good.
So have you seen those dragon drives? They have, or it's like sick week. It's called, this one thing's called sick week. And you have to have 2 people in a vehicle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I've been kind of wanting to like take my truck on that, but I don't have a co-rider. Karen really can't do it. I need somebody because like you have to have somebody there to help document it because you got stops where you have to take a picture of the car to make sure you're on the right path, that you didn't cheat.
Yeah.
So you got to take pictures.
And all your tools have to be on
the trailer.
on the
Anything
trailer.
that you're going to use to finish your drag and drive, any extra tires, fuel, anything's got to be carried on that trailer.
They got one coming up, and it starts out at Mopan. You got like 6 places, or 6 stops in a week, right?
Yeah.
But you go from track to track to track. It starts at Mopan and ends at Mopan, but it goes up to Illinois.
Oh wow.
It's kind of
Kind of like a little rally thing.
that's kind
Yeah.
of cool. You have to check in at all spots. It's kind of neat. I like it. Besides
Sounds right. Sounds right. I found myself a situation. Sounds right. Full of woe and complication. It's got me running in my dreams. Sounds right. Got me driving and I can't sleep.